morning, the sun hit my eyes. No bread on the table, no sweet surprise. The wind whispers freedom, but chains still hold. Who will break them? Who will be bold? Oh, Israelite, rise and shine. Break the chains, the world aligns. Oh, Israelites, hear the call. Stand together, or we all fall. Babylon towers, casting long, dark shade. Fields of sorrow, where hope once played. The drumbeat of courage, it starts to grow. Through the struggle, our strength will show. Oh, Israelite, rise and shine. Break the chains, the world aligns. Oh, Israelites, hear the call. Stand together, or we all fall. Roots grow deep in the soil of pain, but rain will come to cleanse the stain. We are the fire, we are the spark, light in the dark, light in the dark. Oh, Israelites, rise and shine. Rise and shine. Break the chains, the world aligns. Oh, Israelites, hear the call. Call. Stand together, or we all fall. Oh, we all fall. We all fall. Oh, we all fall. Sun go down, but the fire still blaze. Cool breeze whispers through smoky haze. Feet on the sand where the rhythm sways. A lion's heart beats in the drummer's play. It make it, make it, make. Oh yes it do. Turn the night to gold from blue. It make it, make it, make. You feel it too. Moonlight dances on the silver tide. Ancient stories where the stars collide. No need to run, no place to hide. The music's calling, come inside. One drop echoes through the air. Feel the pulse everywhere. It make it, make it, make. Oh yes it do. Turn the night to gold from blue. It make it, make it, make. You feel it too. The rhythm catch your soul like glue. Echoes ripple like a stone in the sea. Dub vibrations set the spirit free. the beats eternally. Ripple like a stone in the sea. Dub vibrations set the spirit free. Lost in the groove, just you and me. Time fades, but the beat's eternity. Make it, oh yes it do. Turn the night to gold from blue. Make it, you feel it too. The rhythm catch your soul like glue. Da 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 da. The sun is high, it burns my face. The rhythm calls this sacred space. The ground it shakes, the people sway. Feel the fire rise and glow. Feel the bassline take you slow. Pass the Dutchie to the left-hand side. Feel the vibe, let it ride, let it ride. Pass the Dutchie to the left-hand side. A little love, a little high tonight. The wind it hums a distant tune. The sky turns gold, the coming moon. Feet on the earth, hearts in the air. Why wait, why stop, why stand still? Let the rhythm take your will. Why wait, why stop, why stand still? Feel the power, feel the thrill. Pass the Dutchie to the left-hand side. Feel the vibe, let it ride, let it ride. Pass the Dutchie to the left-hand side. A little love, a little high tonight. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. La-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. dive low behind the hill. It whispered truths, I can't sit still. The wind said move, the water said stay. But I got my own steps, my own way. True to myself, that's all I can be. Like roots to the ground, the fish to the sea. True to myself, no mask, no disguise. Living my life through honest eyes. The night calls loud, but I hum my tune. A rhythm of stars and a dove soul moon. Every shadow has a light, every wrong can turn to right. True to myself, that's all I can be. Like roots to the ground, or fish to the sea. True to myself, no mask, no disguise. Living my life through honest eyes. I won't bow to the storm, won't bend to the breeze. I'm the leaf on the branch, not the axe to the trees. Every echo I hear is a sound I made. Every choice is a stone in the path I've laid.